How to check your activity log. Press the Home button on the watch to display the main menu. Click the Activities icon in the menu. How to check your heart rate log. Select the heart rate icon in the menu. How to check your SpO2 levels. Click the SpO2 icon in the menu. While wearing the watch, please keep your hands steady and click the Measure button to track your SpO2 levels. How to check your sleep data. Select the Sleep icon in the menu. How to check your energy data. Select the Energy function. How to check your stress data. Select the Stress function. How to track your breathing. Select the Breathing function. Make sure the watch is placed steadily on your wrist. Set your preferences for duration and breathing speed, then click the Start button. You can also explore the in-depth data on the Xiaomi Wear app under the Status tab.